Good morning, students. Today's session, let us see the another important problem in company accounts, that is problem number 3. Saroja Limited issued 20,000 shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of rupees 5. Here the Saroja Limited issued 20,000 shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of 5. Here the share issued at 10 plus 5 is equal 15 rupees. Saroja Limited issued per share 15 rupees per share. 15 rupees per share. Here the share value is rupees 10 and the excess amount is rupees 5. This excess amount is called premium. This excess amount is called premium. So here the share premium 5 rupees per share, 5 rupees per share and 10 rupees per share capital, 10 rupees per share capital and 5 rupees per share premium, 5 rupees per share premium. This excess amount that is premium transferred to securities premium account. Transferred to securities premium account. Here the journal entry for receiving of share premium, and due of share premium along in allotment, the due of share premium, the journal entry is share allotment account to share capital account to securities premium account, This is the journal entry for the due of share premium in allotment and the receipt of premium amount capital along with premium in share allotment. The journal entry is bank account data to share allotment account, These two entries are right in the time of allotment with premium. Now see the problem. Saroja Limited issued 20,000 shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of rupees 5 per share, payable as follows. On application rupees 5. Here the company Saroja Limited collected the money on application. 20,000 shares into on application 5 rupees. 20,000 into 5, 1 lakh. On application. On allotment, 20,000 shares into, see here, on allotment 8 rupees including 5 rupees premium. Here allotment 8. 1,20,000 into 8 equal to 20,000 into 8, 1,60,000. 1,60,000. Here in this 8 rupees, capital 20,000 into 5, that's equal to 1 lakh, and premium 20,000. Here the capital 20,000 into 3. Capital 20,000 into 3. That is 60,000. And the premium 20,000 into each share 5 rupees. 1 lakh. And after that, and the balance on first and final call rupees 2 on calls. 20,000 into 2 is equal to 40,000. It's equal to 40,000. Here the capital, here the capital 1 lakh plus 60,000 plus 40,000, 2 lakhs capital. The capital 2 lakhs and securities premium 1 lakh. Securities premium 1 lakh. This is the process of collecting money by the issue of shares in Saroja Limited. Here, first of all, payable as follows on application. First of all, on collection of application money, for receiving of application money, the journal entry is bank account debtor to share application account. Here on application 1 lakh. In application 1 lakh. In brackets 20,000 into 5 being application amount received. Being application amount received for 20,000 shares at 5 rupees per share. Now the second entry, the share application amount transferred to share capital account. The share application amount transferred to share capital account. Now the journal entry is share application account debtor. Share application account debtor to share capital account. Same amount. Being application amount transferred to share capital account. These two entries are for receiving of application money. And after that, on allotment rupees 8 including 5 rupees premium. Here the allotment include premium. Now share allotment due with premium. The journal entry is share allotment account debtor to share capital account to share premium account. Here share allotment account debtor, share allotment account debtor, share allotment. Here the share allotment 20,000 into 8 per share. 20,000 into 8 rupees per share, including 5 rupees premium. Here 1 lakh 60,000 to share capital account. Here the money collected on allotment 8 rupees including 5 rupees premium. So remaining 3 rupees capital. So here the capital is 20,000 into 3, 60,000. And to securities premium account. Securities premium account 20,000 into 5. Each share 5 rupees premium. So 20,000 into 5, 1 lakh. Being the amount due on allotment with premium. After this, for receiving of allotment with premium, the journal entry is bank account data to share allotment account. Here the allotment amount 1,60,000. 1,60,000 being allotment money received. Allotment amount received for 20,000 shares. For 20,000 shares. Okay, after that, and the balance on first and final call rupees 2. Here the journal entry for the due of first and final call. The journal entry for the due of first and final call. The journal entry is share calls account debtor. Share first and final call account debtor or calls account debtor to share capital account. Here the calls money 20,000 shares into 2 rupees each, that is 40,000. Being calls amount due for 20,000 shares. Good. Next. Now, the calls amount received for 20,000 shares, the journal entry is bank account debtor to share calls account. 40,000 being calls amount received. This is the process of journal entries. And the shares are issued at premium. On application, 2 entries. On allotment with premium, 2 entries. And on calls, first and final call, 2 entries. This is the process of journal entries for issue of shares at premium. Okay, students, look at the another problem in company accounts. It is problem number 4. Ram Limited issued 50,000 shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of 2 rupees per share. Here Ram Limited issued 50,000, each share value 10 rupees and at a premium of 2 rupees. Now the share value 10 plus 2 equal to 12 rupees. 10 plus 2 equal to 12 rupees. Here the 10 rupees is called capital and the excess amount 2 rupees is called premium. Securities premium. Here Ram Limited issued 50,000 shares. Ram Limited issued 50,000 shares. Issued 50,000 shares. Number of shares. Okay. Payable as follows. On application 5 rupees. On application. On application 5 rupees into number of shares 50,000. 5 rupees into 50,000, 2 lakhs 50,000. Here the Ram Limited collected on application 2 lakh 50,000 and on allotment allotment 5 rupees including 2 rupees premium. Here 5 rupees collected but including 2 rupees premium. So 5 into 50,000. 5 into 50,000. So also 2 lakh 50,000. Here 3 rupees in 5 rupees, 3 rupees capital and the remaining 2 premium. 2 rupees premium in 5 rupees on allotment. The remaining capital. Capital 3 rupees premium 2 rupees. 3 into 50,000. 3 into 50,000. 1 lakh 50,000 capital and 2 into 50,000. 2 rupees into number of shares 50,000. 1 lakh premium. Here the premium 1 lakh and capital 1 lakh 50,000. And the balance on first and final call, that is 2 rupees on calls. 2 into 50,000, 2 rupees into 50,000 shares, that is 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Here the capital 2 lakh 50,000 plus 2 lakh 50,000 plus 1 lakh 50,000 plus 1 lakh. So here the capital of the company 2 lakh 50,000 plus 1 lakh 50,000 plus 1 lakh, that is 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs. In brackets 50,000 into 10 and premium. Securities premium. Here securities premium amount 1 lakh. 1 lakh, that is 50,000 into 2 rupees per share. 2 rupees per share, 1 lakh. Here the capital 5 lakhs and share securities premium 1 lakh. Now, how to write journal entries in Ram Limited? Journal entries in Ram Limited. Journal entries in Ram Limited. In Ram Limited. In the books of Ram Limited. The books of Ram Limited. Date, particular, LF, debit rupees and credit rupees. Okay. Applications received 50,000 shares and allotment was made to all. Here applications received. Ram Limited issued 50,000 shares and application received for 50,000 shares and allotment was made. That means all the money duly received. So here first of all on application 5 rupees. On application 5 rupees. If The company receives application money. The journal entry is bank account debtor to share application account. Share application account. The application amount 2,50,000. 2,50,000 being application amount received for 50,000 shares. Okay, next one. This application amount is transferred to share capital account. Now the journal entry, when application money transferred to share capital account, the journal entry is share application account debtor. Share application account debtor to share capital account. To share capital account. Same amount, 2,50,000, 2,50,000 being application amount transferred to share capital account. Share capital account. Okay, next. After the allotment, after the application, on allotment 5 rupees including 2 rupees premium. Here, look at here, allotment 5 rupees into 50,000, 2,50,000 here. In 2,50,000, share capital 3 rupees each share and premium 2 rupees per share. Premium 2 rupees per share. Here the capital amount 1,50,000 and premium amount 1 lakh. Now the journal entry for allotment. On allotment, the journal entry is share allotment account debtor. Share allotment account debtor to share capital account. To share premium account. Allotment. On allotment, 2,50,000. Here the share capital 1,50,000 in credit side and also share premium 1 lakh on credit side. This is the journal entry for due of allotment along with premium being allotment amount due with premium. Okay. Next, for receiving of allotment money, allotment amount, the journal entry is bank account debtor. To share allotment account. 2,50,000. The allotment amount 2,50,000. 2,50,000 being allotment received with premium. Allotment received with premium for 50,000 shares. After the allotment, the journal entry for calls the due on calls, the journal entry is for due on calls. The journal entry is share first and final call account, it are share first and final call, or share calls account, it are to share capital account, share capital account. The calls amount, here the calls amount here the calls amount 1 lakh. Calls amount rupees 1 lakh. That is 50,000 shares into 2 rupees per share. Being calls amount due for 50,000 shares. After that, for receiving of calls amount, the journal entry is bank account debtor to share calls account. Share calls account. Rupees 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Being share calls amount received for 50,000 shares. Okay. Now let us see the another important problem in company accounts. That is, Sugna Limited issued 10,000 shares of rupees 10 each at a discount of rupees 10% per share. Here the Sugna Limited issued shares at discount. Discount means shares issued less than the face value. The difference is discount. Here the share value 10 rupees and company issues the share at 10% discount. The 10% means here the discount 10 into 10 by 100, 1 rupee. Here the company issue each share for 9 rupees. The issue price and this is the face value. This is issue price and this is the face value. The difference between these two is 1 rupee. This is called discount. This discount is treated at the time of allotment. Okay. Now first of all, see 10% per share payable as follows. On application 4 rupees. Here the company collected on application 4 rupees each share into 10,000 shares. That's equal to 40,000 on application. On allotment. Here the allotment 3 rupees. Here the allotment 3 rupees. 3 into 10,000 equal to 30,000. The discount is deducted here. The discount 1 rupee into 10,000 equal to 10,000 discount. And on calls. And the balance on first and final call, that is 2 rupees. 2 into 10,000. 2 into 10,000, 20,000. Here the total money collected 40,000, 30,000 and 20,000, 90,000, and the discount 10,000. The total 1 lakh. Here the total 1 lakh. First of all, wrote the journal entry for application. For collection of application, the journal entry is bank account data to share application account. Share application account. That the money is 40,000. Here also 40,000 and debit and credit. Here date, particulars, LF, debit rupees, credit rupees, being share application amount, being the money received, on application. Okay, now the application amount is transferred to share capital account. The journal entry for the application amount is transferred to share capital. The journal entry is share application account data to share capital account. Same amount, 40,000 in debit and also 40,000 in credit. Being the amount on application transferred to share capital account. These two entries are for share application, and after that allotment. For due of allotment, the journal entry is with discount. Journal entry share allotment account data. Discount account data to share capital account. Here the share allotment 10,000 into 3, that is 30,000, and discount 10,000. 30,000 and discount 10,000. Now in credit share capital 40,000. Being allotment amount due. Okay, now for collection of allotment money, allotment amount, the journal entry is bank account data to share allotment account. The share allotment account rupees 30,000. Being allotment amount collected or received Okay, after that, for collection of calls, for due on calls, if due on calls, the journal entry is share calls account debtor to share capital account. Share calls account debtor to share capital account. To share capital account. On calls 20,000 in debit and 20,000 in credit. Being share calls account, calls amount due. Being share calls amount due. Now for collection of calls amount, the journal entry is bank account debtor. Bank account debtor to share calls account. Share calls account. Same amount 20,000. Being share calls amount. Share calls amount transferred to share capital account. Share capital account. These are the entries for the above problem along with discount. Okay.